Who do you think is taking place?
Just put everything in the oven, Carlo.
Today we're going to make some cloud slime, also known as cloud dough. Super simple, super easy to make. These things are kind of staples around most households. You're just going to use some cornstarch and some conditioner. Really doesn't matter what kind. I like this one because I like the smell of the passion fruit smoothie. So let's just get started. First off, we're going to start with 1 cup of cornstarch. This does get messy, my friends. It's about a cup of cornstarch. Put that right on in. Whew, making a mess. And then this is the easy part here. Approximately a half a cup of hair conditioner. Go ahead and just put that right in. You can add food coloring if you like. If you have an unscented hair conditioner, you can add some scent to it. Buy oils. But I like it just the way it is. So then we just start mixing. It's going to form a small little dough. And that's when you're going to get in there with your hands. It's sort of like an oobleck, which is just cornstarch and water. But this actually holds its shape really well. Unlike oobleck, after you stop applying pressure to it, it turns back into a liquid. So this is looking pretty well combined. So let's just go ahead and get in here with our hands. This is a messy task. Get into all these little crevices that were in here. Start really mixing it together. You'll be able to tell as you're playing with it whether you need to add more cornstarch or if you need to add more hair conditioner. This, I think, is pretty well balanced here. So I'm going to move it out here. Add the extra into that bowl out. Now we have a nice little pile here. Get it off my fingers. Scooch it all in. And just mix it until it all... Now, if you have a lot of fallout, that's where I add a little bit more conditioner. By a little bit, I really do mean just a tad. This, however, looks pretty good. Really smooth. It's really thick. There we go. Look at that. My niece and nephew like to try to build little snowmans out of it because it does hold its shape pretty well. It's really satisfying to play with. And this will hold great just in a typical sandwich baggie. You don't really need to have like an airtight container or anything. It holds for a while. If you find that it's getting dry and you're getting a lot of fallout, you can add some more hair conditioner at that point and kind of bring it back to life. If you ever add too much hair conditioner, obviously you need to go back and add pinches of cornstarch until you reach a really thick, smooth consistency. Thank you.